Hello and welcome. Tell me something. Do you love football? Cricket? Cooking? Music? Reading? Then this lesson is for you. Because talking about what you love is the easiest and most natural way to connect with people in English. Today I will teach you 50 sports words, 40 hobby words, and the sentence patterns you need to talk about all of them. And 5 complete conversations about football, hobbies, the gym, and watching sport together. This is a fun lesson. Let's enjoy it. Section 1. Sports vocabulary. Team sports first. Football, the most popular sport in the world. In America they call it soccer. Football words. Pitch, the field. Goal, goalkeeper. Match, kick off. Cricket. Very popular in India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, England, and the Caribbean. Cricket words. Bat, ball. Wicket, bowler. Batsman, over. Innings. Rugby, basketball, volleyball. Hockey. Individual sports. Swimming. In a pool. Lane. Stroke. Freestyle. Backstroke. Running or athletics. Sprint. Marathon. Track. Race. Personal best. Tennis. Court. Racket. Serve. Set. Match. Gym. Weights. Treadmill. Workout. Exercise. Personal trainer. Now the most important sentences. I play football. I watch cricket. I support Manchester United. Repeat. I play football. I watch cricket. I support your team. How often? I play every weekend. I watch on TV. I go to matches sometimes. Results. We won 3-0. It was a draw. We lost. What a match. My favorite player. My favorite player is, name. He is amazing. She is the best in the world. Section 2. Hobbies. Indoor hobbies. Cooking. Baking. Reading. Writing. Drawing. Photography. Playing video games. Watching films. Listening to music. Playing an instrument. Sewing. Board games. Outdoor hobbies. Gardening. Hiking. Traveling. Camping. Fishing. Music. I play the guitar. I sing. I am in a band. I listen to music every day. Section 3. How to talk about what you like. I like cooking. I love reading. I absolutely love football. I do not like running. I am not very keen on swimming. It is not my thing. I prefer indoor sports. I prefer cooking to baking. I am quite good at football. I am not very good at swimming. I am getting better at chess. When someone asks, what do you do in your free time? Say, I love football, I play every weekend. Or, in my free time I like reading and cooking. Or, I go to the gym 3 times a week. Asking follow-up questions. How long have you been playing? Are you in a team? What kind of music do you like? Connecting over hobbies. Oh really? I love that too. We should play together. Have you ever tried activity? How to say how good you are. I am a complete beginner, I have just started. I am a beginner, I am still learning. I am getting better, I have been doing it for a year. I am quite good, I have played for 10 years. I am excellent, I play at a club level. For complete conversations, listen, then repeat. Conversation 1. Football chat. Person A, did you watch the match last night? Person B, yes. What a game. I cannot believe we won. Person A, 3-0. That second goal was incredible. Person B, I know. He is the best player in the league. Person A, are you going to the next match? Person B, yes, I have a ticket. Are you coming? Person A, I wish. It is sold out. Repeat. Person B. Yes. What a game. I cannot believe we won. I know. He is the best player. Yes, I have a ticket. Are you coming? Conversation 2. Talking about hobbies. Person A, what do you like doing in your free time? Person B, I love cooking. I try a new recipe every weekend, mainly Indian food, but I am learning Italian too. Person A, I would love to try your cooking. Person B, come for dinner. I am making biryani next Saturday. Person A, I would love that. Thank you. Repeat. Person B. I love cooking. I try a new recipe every weekend. Mainly Indian food, but I am learning Italian too. Come for dinner. I am making biryani next Saturday. Conversation 3. At the gym. Person A, do you come here often? Person B, 3 times a week. 6 months now. Person A, I just joined last week. I am still a complete beginner. Person B, you will get used to it. Have you tried the yoga class on Wednesday evenings? It is brilliant. Very relaxing. Conversation 4. Watching a match together. Person A, who do you support? Person B, I am a massive Arsenal fan. You? Person A, Manchester City. Person B, oh no, our biggest rivals. Person A, loser makes tea for a week. Person B, deal. And it will definitely be you. Practice. Tell me about your sport or hobby. 3 sentences. What is it, when do you do it, and why do you love it? A friend asks, did you watch the game? Your team won 2-1. What do you say? Model, yes. What a result. I cannot believe we won. That last goal was incredible. Invite a friend to try your hobby. Model, I am going hiking this Saturday. Would you like to come? It is a beautiful route. Write your favorite sport or hobby in the comments. I will teach you 5 useful English phrases about it. You have now completed 21 English lessons. 7 complete weeks. You can make sentences. You know numbers, time, and dates. You can travel. Talk about your family. Describe your feelings. Go to the doctor. Make phone calls. And now, talk about everything you love. You are an English speaker. And you are getting better every single week. Thank you for being here. Subscribe for more. And I will see you next week. Goodbye.